Have you ever noticed what happens when you jump off a boat onto a dock? The boat moves backward. Or when you throw a ball while standing on a skateboard, you roll in the opposite direction. These are perfect examples of Newton's third law of motion. But what does this law really mean? Let's find out why this happens. Newton's third law tells us that forces always come in pairs. When one object exerts a force on another, the second object exerts a force of equal magnitude but in opposite direction back on the first object. Let's take a rocket as an example. When it expels gas downward, the gas pushes the rocket upward with an equal force. These paired forces are what makes things move, fly, and even swim. But remember, the forces act on different objects so they don't cancel out. Here's a simple and exciting experiment to see Newton's third law in action. You will need a balloon, a piece of string, a straw, and some tape. First, tie the string between two chairs so that it's nice and tight. Then, thread the straw onto the string and tape the balloon to the straw. Blow up the balloon and don't tie it. Hold the end shut and get ready to release it. Watch closely. As the air rushes out of the balloon in one direction, it pushes the balloon forward in the opposite direction. Action and reaction forces at work. You don't have to look far to find Newton's third law in action. Take swimming for instance. When you push against the wall of a pool, the wall pushes you back with the same force propelling you forward. A common question is, if the action and reaction forces are equal and opposite, why don't they cancel out? The answer lies in the fact that forces act on different objects. Let's take two people on skateboards. When one person pushes the other, they both move in the opposite direction. The force one person exerts on the other causes their skateboard to move backward, while the equal and opposite force causes the second skateboard to move forward. Because the forces act on different objects, they don't cancel each other out. Newton's third law of motion applies everywhere, including in space, where there is no air or gravity to resist motion.